extracting assets from a classic Nintendo GameCube game and ran into BMD model files. These contain the 3D characters and objects from some of gaming's most beloved titles. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to view and convert these game models. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific BMD application fails. More details to follow. BMD files are 3D model files used by Nintendo GameCube and Wii games. They contain polygon mesh data, texture references, material properties, skeletal rigging, joint hierarchy, and animation data for characters, objects, and environmental elements, rendered by Nintendo's custom graphics engine. BMD files are 3D model files used by Nintendo GameCube and Wii games. They contain polygon mesh data, texture references, material properties, skeletal rigging, joint hierarchy, and animation data for characters, objects, and environmental elements, rendered by Nintendo's custom graphics engine. The best utility for reliable viewing of BMD is known to be BMD Viewer Plus by SuperHackio. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows lacks support for proprietary engine formats, so viewing or modifying these files requires appropriate software. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your BMD file, then click Open With. Test BMD Viewer Plus if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If your BMD file is not opening yet, that is normal. Because the BMD format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklists. First, open in SuperBMD or J3D View. Download SuperBMD or J3D View. Community developed tools for viewing Nintendo BMD model files. Load the BMD file to see the 3D model rendered with textures, materials, and skeletal structure. Rotate, zoom, and inspect the model from all angles to examine geometry and material properties. Next, convert to standard 3D format. Use SuperBMD to convert BMD files to FBXDA or OBJ format for use in standard 3D applications. Run the command line converter specifying the input BMD file and desired output format. The tool extracts mesh data, textures, materials, and bone hierarchy into the universal 3D format. Finally, import into Blender. Open the converted FBX or DA file in Blender using File, then Import. The model appears with mesh geometry, materials, and armature intact. Adjust materials and textures in Blender's shader editor. For direct BMD import, install Community Blender plugins that read Nintendo model formats natively. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.